you see the cells that are capped, that are right here?
Mm.
Those are baby worker bees. That's called capped brood. And there's the queen right there.
You see her?
I do.
I never can spot her.
She's right there. Do you
Yeah.
see how much bigger she is? Can you see her, Kate, or is it hard?
Yeah, no, I
So
think
she's
I
got
do.
a much longer tail than the others do, or abdomen. That's how she lays the eggs. And then, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here, there's an open cell and has a little white spot in there. You see that? So that's the queen right there. Anyway, that's an egg that she laid maybe about 5 or 6 days ago. It's called a larva, and it's uncapped, and it'll turn into a bee in about 2 more weeks.
Okay.
See how they're all together in one place? See how they're all lined up here?
Yeah.
That means the queen is right in the middle.
They line up to keep her warm and to protect her.
So they're kind of, you see how they're flying around?
Uh-huh.
That's called an orientation flight. And so they're figuring out they have a new home, and this is the place that they'll always come back to. So we won't ever move this box. We'll just leave it here, and that's how they know this is home. So after a couple hours, this will all stop, and they will just be coming and going in and out of that open.
Are they still